Avoiding devastating consequences. The number one thing that takes a positive displacement pump offline is a foreign object in the fluid. When that happens, the consequences can be devastating and the repair or replacement can be costly. But you can avoid this expensive downtime by installing Viking Lid-Ease Pump Strainers. These pump strainers provide protection for any pumping system by preventing solids or foreign materials from entering the pump. The strainer features include quarter turn, easy opening breech-lock lid that simplifies routine cleaning, inclined basket design that provides a low-pressure drop for high system efficiency. Top basket removal eliminates the need to drain the strainer and minimizes product loss. Optional magnetic inserts are available for trapping ferrous particles. Optional differential pressure indicators to optimize cleaning intervals. Viking Lid-Ease strainers are high quality, easy to clean line strainers that are designed for applications in the chemical, petrochemical, and most general fluid flow industries. These single strainers are offered with tapped, flanged, or grooved porting and are available for 3/4, 1, 1/4, 1/2, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8 inches piping. The basket and screen are constructed of stainless steel and are designed to catch all foreign objects, large or small. Nominal capacities range from 20 to 1,500 GPM with a rated pressure of up to 200 psi. Strainer bodies and lids are presently available in cast iron, ductile iron, aluminum, or stainless steel. Low pressure drop. Viking Lid-Ease pump strainers are designed for minimal pressure drop through the unit. Pressure drop is minimized by the inclined position of the strainer basket next to the porting. This provides smooth flow patterns not found in conventional basket-type strainers. Easy to clean. No special tools are needed for lid removal. A simple lid rotation disengages the breech-lock lid to permit easy removal of the basket. The basket is removed from the top of the pipe strainer to eliminate foreign matter from dropping back into the line when the strainer is clean. The strainers are equipped with a drain plug for complete draining if required. Their lightweight and small overall dimensions make it possible to install Viking Lid-Ease pump strainers in systems that cannot accommodate larger strainers of equal porting size. For more information regarding these versatile pump strainers, you can watch a video here. As proud providers of Viking pump products, our experts are here to answer all your questions, so feel free to visit our website or call us today.